What's up? We're here at Exchange Place, Jersey City. Let's stroll around here a little bit before we head out. This is awesome. It feels like New York City here today. It's getting a little darker. Back from Manhattan. Boom. Took the path. Boom. Super nice right now. Hey, puppy. Wild dogs. Rolling with little big guy. Let's see, is the little big guy okay? Let me check little big guy real quick. All right, little big guy's all right. Did a little big guy check. Pocket 3 camera. He's good.
Sitting on the red zone.
I think you were getting creeped out. And like every week there's like
Well, I just told you it's going to
it's that way. You want to go look at it? Nah.
I don't want to go to jail. I'm not paying on that. I'm not down.
1939 Siberia. Looks like a pretty, wow. That's a pretty intense sculpture right there. Wow. This kind of feels like the boardwalk in South Jersey. Yeah, like the Jersey Shore, almost. Let's see what's going on over here. Feels like New York City and New Jersey, boardwalk, South Jersey at the same time. Wow. Jersey City, pretty unique. Pretty unique.
light rail thing.
The light rail thing go all the way down.
You don't even feel like twice. Actually, no, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I had
Okay, so they got the light rail there. Pretty cool. It goes to Hoboken. I'm guessing it comes here to Jersey City. So that's pretty cool, because then you can kind of take that one and go right to Manhattan or something. You know, if you want to come here from Hoboken or vice versa, that too. But it might be more money though, but you go the light rail to the path might be quicker, because Hoboken it's a little longer than Jersey City to get to Manhattan. All right, let's stroll down this way. Jersey City in his house.
Figure out what that is. It's not going to be something crazy like hiking or skydiving or anything like that, but just something, you know, even if it's like going, I'm not going to say Japan, but like just something like that. Yeah.
literally walking.
It didn't stop. They don't hit hard.
let's go. They got the party boat out there, rocking out, pretty far away. Put your hands in the air. They got a DJ on the party boat. Pretty cool. Pretty wild, pretty wild. What did I just step on? Okay. Pretty wild, everyone, pretty wild.
I just want us to hold hands.
Whoa, it got so much warmer here. Like literally, like it feels like 20 degrees. Like 20 degrees warmer here. Whoa. Wow. Don't forget to brush your teeth. And here's the Colgate. Wow, that's huge. So it's a little bit after 8 o'clock right now. I don't have to check my clock. Time check right there. Wow, very cool. That's the biggest clock maybe I've ever seen. That's huge. Huge. Okay, am I going the right direction? I think so. Okay. So, yo, I'm going the wrong direction. So we're going back this way. All right. Okay, so let's backtrack here. Okay. Let's go, let's go. There's a bunch of Uber carts running around Jersey City. They do the deliveries here. It's pretty wild. Okay, so yeah, we go this way. Let's go, let's go. Okay. Yeah, I don't think you can go that way over there. Okay, so yeah, okay, I understand now. I'm looking for this park up here. So we have to go up this way to the left. This is the Korean War Memorial Park up here. Okay, so you can park up here. No parking, 10 p.m. to 10 p.m., Sunday to Friday. So, wow, so you could park here? So on the weekend, right here, I think you can park here. I just snapped a picture of the sign. I'm gonna look at that. Let's check this sign here. So is this no parking? Whoa, 10 to 10, Sunday to Friday. So Saturday you can. Okay. All right. So we got to definitely. I don't know. So maybe just on the Saturday. I don't know. But from what everybody says, it's relaxed here. Oh, actually, yeah. Yeah, this is the way. Right here. Okay, let's go. There's a car backing up. I gotta be careful. I think this is the way I came up. Yeah, I believe so. Is this the way up? Okay. Stop the camera. Okay, let's go. Let's see what this says. Jersey City, the gateway to Ellis Island. Central Railroad. Okay, so I guess got to look into that, how you get there from here. Been a long time since I went to Statue of Liberty.
Hey there. Still looking at him. Oh, buddy, I didn't even.
Wow, the weather's amazing. And there's Statue of Liberty over there.
I don't know. I'm gonna forget.
A lot of people walking today. Let's go. All right, let's go. Got a bike coming right now. Somebody ride, party bike. All right. Got the party bike. Party bike going on. Party bike. Pretty crazy. So yeah, look at the duckies. Wow. Okay, so we are... Okay, honestly, I am a little bit confused. All right. Okay, Washington. This is where I think where we came in.
Basement apartment in Fort Lee.
Yep, because there's the Korean War Memorial right there. Washington and Dudley Ave, Portside Towers, Hudson Place. Alrighty. All right. Jersey City, New York City in his house.